Well, something tells me we're not going fishing today. No. Boy, this car's pissing me off. Found these in the clearance. We're gonna need those. Look, I'm just saying. This is what we need. End of story. Moana. Need some freezer dry spaghetti? Nah. Okay, this is what we got. Hammocks. Stay. So I never explained why I went to Maui. Well, it's raining out, so we're cooking. And, well, I have a caffeine addiction. So, that's what we're doing. Okay, we gotta put these away, or else it's gonna get cold, or it's gonna get warm. There you go. Stay. 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 Here we go. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna need to. Okay. So we take this one. You put it in the bag. Okay. This comes from Jamaica, so it's like important and stuff. Okay. So then you just get in there. Come on. You know you want to. You just kind of throw that in there. Yeah. Doesn't come out too easy. Then you're gonna seal this up, and then you're just gonna go to town with it. This one, we gotta get in the cupboard. You're gonna go, this is some pepper, yeah. Salt, yeah. And then, our special secret recipe, garlic powder. It's not that secret. Oh, yeah, that's gonna need a lot. Okay, and then you put it all back in the fridge to marinate. This where it gets good. You open these up. We're gonna use those two. Oh, you gotta wash them first, by the way. Then you put them out. That can go. So now you cut the potatoes. You got 2 potatoes left for next week. Now we're gonna take extra virgin olive oil. Not just virgin. We wanted her extra virgin. And you're just gonna, look how good that is. Oh. Sprinkle it, lather her up. You're done with that. And then our special ingredient, garlic powder. A lot of that. Okay. Pepper. Never have too much pep in your life. Pep in your step, pep in the, whatever. Salt. It's heavy. Okay. And then you wrap her up. And she's good. I never understood the expression raining cats and dogs. Okay? Like, why is it raining cats and dogs, man? Well, look at that. Y'all want to go swimming? I got Lake Michigan in my backyard. So smoky. We prepared the food. Now we must cook the food. So we're just going to let that sit for probably like a long time. So we're going to lay our steaks on the grill now. Okay? It's going to go down. On this side, this is some Jamaican seasoning. Just needs a little love. And then this one, as we all know, got the Jamaican rub steak sauce on it. So we just, okay. And then we're gonna get some goods on that too. And we're done.